A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in the English online class. Today, I am going to start the class with a new lesson, hobbies. Do you know what is the meaning of hobby? Actually, the hobby means an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure, or we can say that an activity or interest pursued for pleasure or relaxation and not as a main occupation. A hobby is a regular activity done for enjoyment. Hobbies include collecting themed items and objects, engaging in creative and artistic pursuits, or pursuing other amusements. So, this particular lesson, hobbies, is based on various types of activities related to different types of hobbies. So, my dear children, at first we read the whole lesson nicely. So, first we start the reading part. So, please listen it carefully. Lesson 8, Hobbies. Ashish has just finished his final exams. He has nothing to do. He sits and watches television all day. His mother sees this. Mother: Ashu, now stop watching TV. Don't you have anything else to do? I think you should do something useful. Ashish: but I am getting bored. I can't think of anything else. Mother: why don't you take up a hobby? Ashish: a hobby? What's that? Mother: a hobby is something you do in your free time, and it would be a great way to spend your holidays. It will keep you busy, and it will be fun too because you can do things that you enjoy doing. Ashish: what hobbies can I choose from, Mummy? Mother: there are so many hobbies you can choose from. Drawing and painting, singing and dancing, sports, building models, playing a musical instrument, swimming, hiking, collecting things, and lots more. Ashish: collecting things? But what kind of things do people collect? Mother: anything and everything. Stamps, shells, coins, old music records, cards, and 1,000 other things are collected by people around the world. Of course, stamp collecting, called philately, still remains the most popular hobby in the world. Similarly, coin collecting, called numismatics, is yet another interesting hobby. These hobbies help you to learn about different countries. Ashish: interesting. How there are other hobbies? Mother: there are many more. Gardening, photography, fishing, scrapbooking, reading books, to name a few. Quite often, what starts off as a hobby develops into a more serious study or even a profession. For example, a child who is interested in gardening may later on become interested in botany. A child who likes collecting stamps and coins may want to study history. A child who builds models may become an engineer. A child who does photography may in later life want to take it up as a profession. Ashish: Mummy, Kiran was talking about bird watching. Is it a hobby too? Mummy: Yes, bird watching is a fantastic hobby. All you need is a pair of binoculars, a notebook, a pencil, and a bird guide. You can do bird watching from the comfort of your home by using a bird feeder. You can also go out into the woods or the nearby fields and look for them. When you spot a bird, look at it with your binoculars. Get out your bird guide and look it up to identify the bird you see. Then you note it down in your notebook. And do you know, one who studies birds is called an ornithologist. Ashish: Oh, I see. I think there are so many hobbies. How should I choose the right hobby? Mother: This is a good question. You first need to decide what you enjoy doing. Once you decide on a hobby, find out whether the things you need are easily available. For example, it's no use if you take up gardening when there is no garden around. You can't practice photography without a camera. You can't play a musical instrument if you don't have one. Hobbies can sometimes be very expensive, so think well before you choose a hobby. Ashish: Mummy, Rahul says he learned many things at the summer camp last year. Mummy: Yes. In summer camps, they teach you swimming, music, drawing, singing, and dancing. There are also classes where they teach you how to do magic tricks and how to make flowers, bags, vases, greeting cards, candles, bookmarks, and other things. So, attending a summer camp can also help you to develop a hobby. Ashish: All this sounds very interesting. I will soon decide on a hobby. Mother: That's good. You will learn how to entertain yourself. You will be a lot more confident. And what's more, you will have many interesting things to talk about, and that would mean making many more new friends. Ashish: Thank you, Mummy. I am sure I won't get bored anymore. I will have many things to do. Mummy: Now turn off the TV. Your cycle is lying in the garage. Wipe it clean and go cycling. You will have fun and get some exercise too. So, my dear students, reading part of this lesson is over. So, you all must read this particular lesson, hobbies, at least 3 to 4 times at home with good and correct pronunciation. Now, let's continue the explanation part. Lesson 8, Hobbies. Ashish has just finished his final exams. He has nothing to do. He sits and watches television all day. His mother sees this. So Ashish has just finished his exam. So he has feeling bored. That's why he simply sit and watching the television continuously all day. And Ashish's mother observed this. Mother, Ashu, now stop watching TV. Don't you have anything else to do? I think you should do something useful. So mother said to Ashu, please stop watching TV. You just do any other type of work. I think you should do something useful. Ashish, but I am getting bored. I can't think of anything else. But Ashish said to his mother, I am feeling bored. I don't know what should I do. Mother, why don't you take up a hobby? Mother say to Ashish, why don't you engage in any type of hobby? Ashish, a hobby? What's that? What is hobby? What's that? Ashish asked to his mother. Mother, a hobby is something you do in your free time, and it would be a great way to spend your holidays. It will keep you busy and it will be fun too, because you can do things that you enjoy doing. So mother said a hobby means an activity done what you can do in your leisure time, and it is a best thing to spend the holidays in a right way. Hobbies keeps us busy, and we can do various types of activity for enjoyment also. Ashish, what hobbies can I choose from mummy? Again Ashish asked his mummy which type of hobbies we can choose. Mother, there are so many hobbies you can choose from. Drawing and painting, singing and dancing, sports, building models, playing a musical instrument, swimming, hiking, collecting things, and lots more. His mother say various types of hobbies we can choose. For example, we can choose drawing and painting, singing and dancing, various types of sports, building models, playing a musical instrument, swimming, hiking, collecting things, and many more. So this type of various activities or hobbies we can choose from our own choices. So my dear children, today I am going to stop this lesson. You must read this lesson thoroughly, at least 3 to 4 times, nicely at home. And in next class, I will continue the leftover portion of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.